All right, so we are in Branson, Missouri at the Ozarker Lodge. And it's a cute little boutique hotel, which we're going to be spending a few days here while we check out Silver Dollar City and everything else that Branson has to offer. This is going to be a 2-queen room, room 313. And it's not a bad room. There is a space issue for luggage, and as you can see, we'll take a look at that here in a minute. But first things first, we got a couple of queen beds here. They are very comfortable, as we've already kind of jumped all over the place and enjoyed that. We've got a telephone. Looks like there's a USB outlet back there, plus a couple of standard outlets. Is this a drawer? No, it's a whole door with a safe. Very cool. We do have lights on either side of the bed. You can see this one over here is lit up. But yeah, we do have some bedside lighting. Over here we have a seat with a place that we can store some things under. Not super big. This is just like a standard size like suitcase you would take to put under a plane. Definitely like we could slide it under there, but it's going to stick out a little bit. Got a waist bin, a television. There was a postcard here. Notepad and pen. How to use the TV remote control. A little welcome note. Down here we have, check this out, a Marshall amp so we could play some music here. We have an ice bin with 4 glasses. A refrigerator, not a mini bar. Then moving in here we have a single sink. To the left, hair dryer with a couple of places for shelving to put some things and then some areas to hang up. This was our hamper, so that did not come with it. You can see we put another suitcase here. There is a luggage rack hiding back behind there. A couple of towels. Does this open up? It does not. But a couple of towels there, plus some hand towels and a place for makeup. Check out the soap here. Nice. I will say, it's filled to here, so it's not filled up, but there is some soap and hand and body lotion and some tissues. Then this is going to be the standing shower. Kind of the same thing here. Filled to here, filled to there, filled to there. So we're definitely going to need more of this over the next few days, but it is clean. I will say that it is clean. Then, of course, we have the commode. Yeah, overall, this is a perfect, like, boutique, really nice kind of hotel. But as you can see, there's no drawers, so we can't really store anything. And we have one coat hanger there, and we have one coat hanger here. So only 2 coat hangers in the whole place. So no real place to store your clothes. So you're going to be living out of your luggage. And if there's a bunch of you, you're going to have some issues like with storage. But that's really the only complaint that we have here. But let's check out the view here. Ooh, it's bright. Unbelievable. And a swimming pool down that way. All right. Well, let me know, is this a type of a hotel that you would stay at? Let me know down in the comments. Until next time, we'll see you.